Today, William is stuck in the graveyard.
Here.
Let's go. William,
Okay, guys.
what are you doing, buddy?
We
Genuinely, what are you doing?
we try to find out like shortcut, but it just kill me.
Okay, pal. The sounds of a struggling Williams Cholo. Don't try this at home. Don't disrupt the dead. Let them peace.
Ooh,
Out of 10,
it's freaking 9.
we just went through that bush over there. We just walked up that mountain. We just walked up a mountainside.
Woo!
To save 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Oh, that's beautiful, mate.